27, and 10 of those are Star Wars. So that's it. We are running through these Mickeys. So you picked last time, mister. Let's see. Over here. This one. That's the one. This one. There's a Grail in this cube.
Are you sure?
I'm feeling it. You gotta be positive, right? There's a Grail in this cube. Just say it. There's a Grail in this cube.
Or an Ultra Grail.
There's a Grail in this cube. Say it.
There's no Ultra Grail in this cube.
Oh boy.
And a Grail in this cube. There's a Grail in this cube.
See? You gotta say it. You gotta believe it. There's a Grail in this cube.
I think there's an Ultra Grail in this cube. Either one.
If there's a Grail or an Ultra Grail, I'm gonna lose my mind.
Yeah. Well, let's see.
There's not.
It was the exact opposite.
It was the exact opposite.
Oh,
and like one of the worst serial numbers of the bunch. Okay, so saying it out loud to ourselves did not work that time.
Say to ourselves.
That's okay, though. That's all right. We pulled a couple of legendaries recently. We've been filling this thing out there. Never a complaint. It's always awesome. But we do want to try to get these, so 5 to go.
We're saying it. We're gonna say it in our head next time.
That's right. That's right. All right, guys. That's it. That's it for tonight, and we will see you tomorrow, as always, with, 16 more Mickeys to go, and then we got to get those Star Wars in there. How about this, Nick? Why don't we do this? We're going to give it one more Mickey shot, right? And if after this next Mickey, we get another one that's another dupe, why don't we bounce back to Star Wars for a few?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Maybe we'll do that. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you soon.
Yeah.